What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here by myself doing a solo. Babe wanted me to do it, so I'm here. What's up? Okay, so I'm gonna get into this prayer, then I explain to you guys what I have. That's great. That's good. Like, thank you for our food today, and let us be nourished to our body. In Jesus' name, we pray. Amen. So what I have today here, you guys, is homemade burrito, ground turkey, that is. And what's inside, I have lettuce, sour cream, beans, cheese, cilantro, and green onion. So, I'm about to dig in. And after I eat a little bit of this good old burrito, I'm gonna ask you guys a little questions. You feel me? So, yeah. By the way, how was your guys' day today? Comment down below if you had to work or you just stayed at home and chilled. I had to work today. Actually, double work. So my feet is hurting really bad. I think I'm having baby massage them tonight. She's probably gonna be like, heck no. Okay. You guys, I made this meat yesterday actually, but I didn't get to make my video, so I'm doing it today, which I can look at that good old stuff in the inside. Real good. Yeah, I ain't ate all day. I just thought about it. I ain't eat nothing at all. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I got some crystal hot sauce up in here. That is real good. I mean, like I ain't never ate before. That's because I didn't eat all day. Y'all got a new hairstyle. I can't really see it, but I shaved my hair in the back. A little piece back there. Try something different. Yeah, I wanted to eat this so bad yesterday, but it was a little situation. So I didn't even eat last night. So my mouth was watering. I'm watering for this all day. I think that's maybe why I starved myself. Yeah, I think I put my foot in that meat. Yeah, this is my first time doing a video with myself without Shouty being on the side of me. So as y'all can see, I'm not downstairs. I'm actually upstairs in her room. You feel me? Mm. Mm, mm, mm. That's a big old burrito. You see? Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, and I got some Calypso. Look kind of watery because my ice melted, but it's alright. Take some of this. Mm, mm, mm. So good. Mm, mm. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys some questions. Okay, and these are just random questions I'm gonna be asking. Do you guys like scary movies? Me, I like scary movies. And the reason that being is because I like to get scared. If it's not scary to where it make me jump, I don't want to watch it. I'm just letting y'all know that right now. So I like scary movies. They gotta be extra scary though. Extra, extra scary. Okay. Do you still have your childhood teddy bear? Never had a teddy bear, to be honest. Never had a teddy bear. So no, I don't. Still have my childhood teddy bear. Comment down below if you guys still have your childhood teddy bear. Let's go to the next question. These just random questions all over. Couple questions, funny questions, all type of questions mixed together, you guys. If I or you guys was an animal, which one would I be? I would like to be a cheetah. They really, really fast. I like to be a cheetah. They're nice too, so pretty dope design on them. All that. Go after somebody real fast, be moving like shh. Real talk. I was just watching something about cheetahs the other night too. Speaking on that. This is a good question. I won $1,000. What will I spend it on? Clothes and shoes. Nothing else. Clothes and shoes. I go spend that real fast. Because that's what I like. Shoes and clothes. Nothing else. That's what I spend my $1,000 on. What y'all spend y'all $1,000 on if y'all just want it? This is another good question because I'll be getting big with this one. Be getting ready. Oh my gosh, this is a good one. How long do I need in the morning to get ready? I'll be complaining about how you females be doing y'all makeup for so long and y'all take so long to get ready. But I'll be done getting ready in like 5 minutes. But I take the most time looking in the mirror, making sure I look right, go to the bathroom, look at myself again in the mirror, come back in the room, look at myself again, spray on some spray, put on some lotion, look at myself again, make sure my hair look great, just all type of stuff. So I need a good hour. I think the hour will do me just fine, so I can make sure I'm right stepping out that dough. I'm a little bit conceited. I'm a little bit conceited. Yeah, I'm kind of full. That burrito, it's big. I'm gonna ask y'all maybe 2 more questions. What's my favorite video game? My favorite video game. You guys' favorite video game? Comment down below. I like to play. Actually, I have 2. I like to play Madden and 2K. On PS4 or Xbox, it doesn't matter, but those are my 2 favorite games I like to play. Cause I be beasting, you feel me? I like to be in competition with my nephews. Cause they be thinking they can beat me, so I'll be all into it. Mighty funny. And also, like, Davion got a new game. I think it's Mortal Kombat. I think that's what he got. But I like to play him in that too, cause he's real good. So I'll be determined to win. It'll be real funny. But he's really good in that. And I think it only took him like a day to get good like that. But those 3 games I can play. Next question. Next question. What pisses you off? Let me tell you something. The thing that pisses me off the most, this might be nasty, but this is what pisses me off the most. When somebody pass gas and don't say excuse me. Oh my God, that drives me up the wall. I'll be so upset. Like, I'll be so mad. I'm telling y'all, that's the thing that pisses me off. That gets me so upset. Anything else I can deal with, but when somebody don't say excuse me, burping, passing gas, all that stuff, it drives me crazy. I can't do excuse me. I can't do it without nobody saying excuse me. At all. Yeah, I said I was full, but I'm still eating. Yeah. I think I'm gonna wrap this up. So, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified every time we upload. Give it a thumbs up, and until next time, peace.